my goodness. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to go over my case, the Cooler Master Storm Stryker Full Tower ATX case. Retails for probably around $300 to $340. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's go unbox this. Sweet. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's like it's just waiting for you. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. This is so heavy. Let's look at these cool things. Specifications. Oh, does it have weight? There it is, 13 kgs. How can I know? Okay, let's try this again. Okay, round two. I can do this. I finally got it out. Beast. Alright, let's go through some quick specs. 54 centimeters long, 61 centimeters tall, and 23 centimeters wide. On the right side, the way to take this off, there are some two screws here, and it just kind of slides in. There you go. So 2 screws, mesh for your fans, and a window, and it's not glass, it'll be like acrylic or plastic or something, and you just kind of slot that into the holes in here. This is the left side of the case. The nice thing about this case is that it has kind of like a little hidden area on the side where you can do all your cable management. So this is the left side where you will kind of manage all your cables. We've got the back of the case, so here you've got your input-output panel, the power supply down here. It's got filters like everywhere. I don't know if that's really exciting, but here you can just kind of pull out these filters and clean them off. Slot them back in, so there it is, just in there. There's one up the top, and then there's 2 down the bottom. One you access from the front, one you access from the back. Some little feet, just over maybe 2.5 centimeters tall. Alright, and here you have the front, a massive power button here, and it glows red when you turn it on. Apparently these are like fan controls. Top panel connections here. 2 of these are USB 3 ready. Microphone, headphones, a hot swap bay for like SSDs. I think it's 2.5 inch. Front part here, all the panels are removable, and you just kind of remove them just like that. Little sections. I thought this was cool. Maybe it's not as cool to you guys, but here is a little toolbox. So in the bottom you can keep all your like little screws and other bits and pieces that come with it. Alright, so let's try and go through the internals of this. This is how it was set up when I bought it. Fans are just kind of sitting here. This is like, I guess, the inside part of the drive bays. I've already got my SSD in here. The case comes with brackets. I think they're called brackets. And they're toolless, so you don't need screws in them. You just kind of, you know, you can pull it out. It's pretty self-explanatory, I guess. So there you have it. The key features for the Cooler Master Storm Stryker case. If you feel that there's something that I've left out, or if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback. But anyway, thanks so much guys. Hope you're having a wonderful week. Ciao.